Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your headphones JLAB GOWORK. Firstly, you cannot enable this mode on your iPhone. You will use AC codec by default, and this one is your maximum. The second one, to enable or disable HD audio, we need to enter into developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options, you can check the video at how to set info channel. We have it just for your device. And after you enable it, you need to go to the settings, then system, so we need to scroll down, and in the system we have developer options. Enter here, then scroll down, and you need to find HD audio. But we can also use the search. By the way, right here we have HD audio. You can use the search and you can write HD right here. And here is HD audio, but only if you enable developer options. As you can see, it's located in the developer options. So you can tap at this line, and right here we have it. To disable HD audio, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. Once you disable HD audio, firstly you cannot swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. The second one, your headphones will use SBC Bluetooth audio codec. To enable HD audio, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. And once you enable HD audio, you can now check your Bluetooth audio codecs and you can swap between them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!